Right up front. Kill him.
That's every single one, boys!
That's fucking awesome.
Let's go, baby! Get that bird! Clean up!
Kill it!
Boy, oh boy, do we have a special video today. I'm so damn excited. First, start by running through the conditions. 1.5 inches of rainfall today, 32 miles an hour of wind, gusts up to 52, south-southeast. Gonna be sitting at 50 degrees, so not terrible. Now, for the location, I need to give a huge shout out to Jeremy Dykes. He is hooking us up with a spot today. Jeremy, thank you for hooking us up. I mean, I'm beyond excited. It's 1:10 in the morning. I haven't slept a wink. I just can't stop thinking about, you know, what we got in store for today.
Right up top.
Nice.
Silent again. Just feeding call.
Right up front. Kill him.
That's every single one, boys!
That's fucking awesome.
Let's go, baby! Get that bird! She's going which one, Dad?
That's a lot of steel going out right there. Big group to our left. Big group to our left. Three above. Coming around.
This is gonna be it.
Go ahead, kill him. Good shot, Mike.
Nice.
Oh, fuck, that was so.
There's the gliders.
Call him again.
Yeah, they might have come around.
They were gonna probably swing that.
They probably were. Hey, two on our left.
Okay, no more.
Let them come around.
No more. What are they seeing?
Bellies up over there?
That could be it. Yeah. They were on a line to something.
Yeah.
Oh, they swung. Feeding call. If the solo does it, shoot.
Leave the single.
Yeah, leave it.
Leave it. Leave it.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
No, I yelled. I
nice.
was telling you to suck.
Get down, kill
Everyone head straight down.
Get ready. I don't know what to do.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Feeding him.
Turn him.
Coming right over our heads. Right over our
Right
heads.
over our backs. It's gonna be right here, boys. Right here.
Ready? Yep.
Kill him.
Oh my god.
All three I aimed for dropped. I don't know about that.
I was literally shooting at it.
I was too. We almost should have shot him behind us.
I know.
Is everyone ready to swing both ways?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna call backside then too. Hey, Jalen, you got a solo,
You gonna
okay?
take that?
Hold on. Hey, first solo for the new guy. What the fuck?
Doing Bach 9.
Who shot that?
Aiden. He's right over back shoulder.
Look at him cupped up.
You ever get the chance, shoot? He might do it.
Right here. Coming over our back.
He's gonna do it right here, Jalen.
Turn around.
He's going left side.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Ah, baby!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Attaboy.
Aiden, did you get your notepad out?
Yeah.
Good shot.
Fucking tater.
Nice green head.
Thank you.
A lot of freaking birds moving around. Look at those. Those are going that way. Those are going that way.
Oh, hey, right behind us. Big flock.
Easy on the calling. Jesus Christ. Look at the fucking train tracks over here. They might get in the shot, boys. They might.
Okay, caught it.
Yep, probably not.
If we had a little bit better weather, they're flying to the goddamn Bahamas right now.
In the blind, somebody should have shot that duck that Lucas couldn't catch.
Yeah, no shit.
I didn't want to shoot you.
Dude,
You think I like this stuff?
you can't even hit a duck. What makes you think you can hit me?
Yeah.
They're coming.
They're gonna come back.
A little bit of feeding call.
Get ready. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh, the dirty
Sir.
witch!
Oh.
The dirty witch!
He got absolutely clappered! Oh my god.
That's a Boeing 737.
Swinging? Swinging?
To the left. Left.
Should we give
Who wants it? Who wants it? Yeah, Aiden, here you go, buddy.
Left
Go.
side maulers. Oh no.
Oh, I wanted to shoot it so bad, dude. Shoot him!
And send the dog?
Yeah, go
Ivan,
ahead.
let's go pick up bird.
Yep, let's go. Go get him. Let's go. Get the duck. Get the duck. Get the duck.
Oh shit! Hey, she better get that! She better get that!
Get that bird. Get that bird.
Get it! Get it! Get it!
Oh yeah.
Might be if she doesn't get it, it might be a bonus.
in your mouth now. Oh, there's so much.
What's it doing?
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh yeah.
Where's it at?
He's
Right
locked.
out front.
He's locked.
Right over top.
Someone kill this thing.
Oh no! Oh, you fucking whiffed!
No bird. No bird.
What an
German
idiot!
guys who can't shoot shit. Get in the blind.
It was super high.
I see a band.
A band? I saw a neck collar.
Did you?
GPS tracker. Thanks, Russia. Those are surveillance birds.
Probably. Shoot him right here.
Kill him. Oh, he's down.
No fucking way. That thing's gonna keep flying.
Hit that one.
Yeah.
Go back.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That thing's wings are hurting.
How did it do that?
I think I stoned the Susie, didn't I?
Oh
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Stoned it.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. Needed that.
2 ducks behind it.
Oh yeah. Up and down.
Hard.
Oh, locked in hard.
See him there.
Right here. Get ready.
Right in front of us.
Yeah.
Kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh, torpedo! Woo! I'm glad we can take care of 2.
Yeah, but not
Nice.
3.
That's what you want. That doesn't get you going. I don't know.
Give him a second. As soon as they get behind us, 1 person hail and then feed.
All right.
Are you the fucking conductor?
Good. Give him a second.
Don't shoot my dog. They're dropping in, coming behind. Nope. Yep.
Head down, head down, head down. Coming right over top of us. Don't move.
Shoot him.
Wait.
Oh, come on.
I didn't. I was right to shoot.
I didn't see what they were doing.
Yes, fuck yeah, shoot them. They were right over us. Clapping the single.
Why? Let it land.
Yeah.
If it's a greenhead, it's dead.
No, the 4 are gonna work.
Oh my god.
Kill it. Kill it.
Take it. No, it's a greenhead.
No,
Was it? It's a head.
No, I didn't like those 4
Yeah.
right over there anyway. That was a hunter.
Hey.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, my bad. Come in a little bit. We'll be open.
Chill, chill.
Are you a sandhill fucking crap? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Hey, those honkers are coming over here. Who's got the single out front? This is gonna fuck. Hey, that might fuck us for the honkers.
Yeah.
Are we leaving the solo duck?
I don't know where those. Oh, those are going away from us. We can try.
These honkers are about to go right over us.
No, they're going the other way.
No, they're not.
They're coming towards us?
There's some right here.
Oh shit.
Solo duck's about to do it. Am I killing it?
No.
Yep.
Oh my god, someone's hunting that field.
They didn't kill a single damn thing.
Coming around. Hey, they're gonna land in the honkers. They're gonna land. Maybe. Hold on.
No, they're gonna drift.
Get ready. Wait, let them do it one more time, you think? Heads down, heads down, heads down. Where'd they go? Right behind us, right behind us. Don't move, don't move. Another group came with them?
Yep.
It's gonna be good. Get ready for these ones out front.
Right here. Nope. One's left to right, left to right.
Should we kill him?
Oh,
we
yeah.
kill him?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right here. Wait for it, go.
Oh, no.
Right on top of us. Right on top of us.
Those are gonna. God, I wish I had a lesser call.
They're so much higher pitched.
Yeah, a lot. Hey, hey, group of ducks for left. Fuck the geese at this point. We're just shooting ducks.
Alright,
Get down.
we got him.
Keep dropping. Come on, baby.
Oh, those geese up top kind of want it.
Motherfuckers.
Where'd those ducks
The
go?
ducks do stuff. Oh fuck, right here.
Hey, right here, right here. Get ready.
See them right about it.
Should we take these right here?
They're pretty high.
No, they're not, dude.
No, they're so close.
Ready?
Yeah.
Kill them.
Oh, one left, one left. Kill it when it comes in. It's a green head. Where? Right here.
Oh, I won't.
Take him.
You see it?
That's deep as fuck.
Let's see if we can get him in.
That's deep, but that's
Right
way
side, right
too
side.
deep.
Right side.
Oh! Hell yeah.
Send the dog.
Nice shot.
Here, boys.
It was a green head.
No, it wasn't. That's a hen. Do you need help?
That was a hen.
Like with your eyes?
I'll bet you $100.
Dude, that was a hen.
Really?
Yeah, coming around the horn. Right here.
They're dirty witch.
And a grass side, grass side, grass side.
Kill it. Atta boy!
There we go.
Dirty witch! Another dirty witchy! Oh no! 9 o'clock witch! What happened? They're kind of working their way over here. Let the one land. Okay, let's kill him. Let's kill him.
Yep.
Go.
They're right behind us. Oh, God. What are they doing?
Just slide it over her. They're coming right over our top. They're gonna come right over our
They're gonna
back.
go grass side?
No, they're coming corn side.
Take the two.
No. Yeah, we can.
Do it.
Go ahead.
Green head. We took the two.
Did I hit the fucking pull string?
Get that bird! Get that bird!
Oh no, pull string.
Oh shit.
I think.
Okay, someone kill that thing.
Nice.
Get that Ivy. Yeah. I can't hear. Just no call. I think they're gonna drift right over us.
Yeah. We should probably shoot at him.
Do not.
Inside, good night.
Right over.
Heads down.
Fucking cat.
They're right above us. Oh,
Howdy. Yeah, finish the pack up or the count. Cool green waders.
The fucking
All right, Tom.
waiters from the 90s. You find that those at Goodwill?
They're insulated.
Go on your knees a lot.
Is that your camo too that he's wearing?
yeah. That's shroud.
Kick ass for blacktail.
Yeah, I agree.
That'd be a killer blacktail camo.
Around here, yeah.